Hello my amazing creative friends, Oksancia here again. I am here to help you create art that fits your soul as well as your family. And today I have a super fun and quick tip for you guys that are going to improve your any design that you're designing, your repeat pattern designs or any kind of layout, illustration, anything that you're going to design from now on for the rest of your life. And it's like a second nature for me, but I realized that when I shared it with my students on my Pattern It Up course that everyone loved it, so I wanted to share with you guys as well. So the tip is when you're making any kind of repeat pattern design or any other design, squint your eyes. Yes, just look through your eyelashes like this. Like, look through the eyelashes, and it seems kind of silly and funny, but it actually is going to improve everything. For example, let me jump into my computer and show you what I mean. So here is a pattern that we created in our textile design studio this summer, and I deliberately made some mistakes in it just to show you an example of what I mean with my eyelashes method to improving your design. Alright, so let's see. On this pattern, if you right now squint your eyes on your phone or on the computer, wherever you're watching, you can basically start seeing less details of these little butterflies and little tiny flowers and leaves, but more of a general composition and the layout of this pattern. And what I notice right now is that these two, I'm going to blur out this pattern so that just it's easier to see, but these two flowers are way too big and they create more of a kind of a grid in this pattern over here. And the additional thing that I do is I group the pattern, I have it cropped, it's a repeat tile, and I drag it to my swatches pattern over here, click on this swatch, then zoom out with the zoom tool and create a large circle. Alright, now it's already filled with this pattern. Again, zoom out and you can start seeing these stripes and that the flowers are really grid-like, and you can see them over here. And if you are using the eyelashes method, looking through your eyelashes, you will see again that what's the problem with this pattern. This is how you start having ideas how to improve your designs. Alright, so how would we go about improving our designs? Let's see. We go back into our cropped pattern and we're going just to scale down these two flowers, and let's see if that helps with our, just make it a little bit bigger, if that helps with our composition. Again, click on this pattern, drag it to swatches, select the big large circle that you do before and click on the new pattern. Again, now squint your eyes, and again you will see that it's much better composition with the larger flowers approximately same size, they are more scattered, and the pattern flows much better. So that's the way how you would go about improving your patterns and composition. The same way it actually helps with color contrast, it helps with placements of elements, and it helps with the level of details that you want to have in your design. And another really useful place or use that you can have for this trick, eyelashes trick, is when you are using fonts or text in your design. So this is the circular design that we were making for a thank you card this summer, and basically I just made a text thank you. When you squint your eyes, you will see that the text is not very readable and that the U is basically almost disappears into the background, this darker text right here. So what I would go about it right away, I would just basically scale it up, at least if you want to keep this type of font, and just select a different color. So all of a sudden when you squint, now you can see both of these words more clearly, right? So this is how you would use these the eyelashes trick, as I call it, in to improve your designs. So did you like my quick tip? Leave a comment with yes right now in the comments below so that I know to create more tips just like this one for you guys in the future. Also, subscribe to stay tuned to the pattern vibe, and I am going to be creating more videos for you very, very soon. So grow, love, and create. Have a nice day. Bye!